Hey there, it is the weekend. Nice little cuddly nap time with the puppy dogs. But this last week I ate 5 meals, 5 suppers while I was at work, and each one was under $10. Let me show you guys what I ate. Day one, and it's time for Taco Bell, a beefy 5-layer burrito, a Crunchwrap Supreme, a Fiesta potatoes, 2 avocado salsa packs, a confetti cookie freeze, and a Haribo Happy Cherries from Walgreens on the way back to work because I was still hungry after eating this. Walgreens almost always has candy on clearance, and you guys, I had a $2 off coupon of the box at Taco Bell for the meal itself. Now the next day I had double dipped peanuts, banana bread walnuts, no sugar added walnuts covered in chocolate, a chicken salad sandwich on sourdough with lettuce, tomatoes, onions, mayonnaise, and sub dressing. Best chicken salad ever is from Sprouts Farmers Market. And you guys, Taco Bell was $6.56 after taxes, and full price it was $18.86 before taxes. If you add in the cherries, it went from $7.26 is what I paid to $21.65 before taxes. Sprouts was $9.69 after taxes, and full price it was $13.93 before taxes. Absolutely love both of these places. Day 3 was a little bit wild. I ended up going to Jack in the Box for 2 tacos and a bacon cheeseburger. Then I went to McDonald's for a caramel chocolate French vanilla iced coffee. I went to Panda Express for samples, honey sesame chicken, and cheese ragoon. And then I went to Burger King to eat all of it, where I also got a large fry and a large onion ring. Barbecue sauce, zesty sauce, a bunch of samples. And then we also got dipping sauce from Jack in the Box. We got a lime one, 2 different sweet ones, and a honey mustard. In total, I paid $9.39 after tax. Full price before discounts before tax was $23.65. And I even had enough food to take home a couple of fries and onion rings to Mr. Frapjacks. This was so good, sometimes it's fun to go everywhere. Day 4 was no bueno, you guys. It tasted good, but I was super starving after I ate it. I got mozzarella sticks and a water and a 2-meat scramble at Denny's. $18.28 before tax and tip. After tax and tip, it was $9.60, $8.20 before the tip. Then the next day, you guys, it was much better. I stopped at Burlington first. I got a $3.09 apricot cookie pack. Full price was $3.99. The value was $5.99. Then I got Del Taco regular fries, 2 grilled chicken tacos, 3 crunchy grilled chicken tacos, $5.97. After everything, before anything, it was $13.04. I think it was delicious. And you guys, I don't want to toot my own horn or anything, but I think that was absolutely a fabulous week of work suppers. I spent exactly $45, and that's 5 supper break meals. And after tax and tip, that just averaged $9 a day. And the retail value of everything that I got was $96.54. Now, for the pricing, I did just want to say, for the Taco Bell, I priced the full price at like buying everything a la carte. And then for the Burlington and my total tally, I like used the comparable value or whatever, like if you were to buy it outside of a Burlington. But yeah, delicious food other than Denny's. Denny's was delicious. It just wasn't filling. I was so hungry after I ate that food. But I don't want to babble. So thanks for watching. If you want to see anything else like this, subscribe and let me know in the comments. Me, Zena, and Frapjacks. We'll see you later. Bye.